Bombay Hospital has a tradition of over 60 years of neurosurgery in private sector, which was started by the very well-known Professor Ram Ginde, the first neurosurgeon of Western India. But apart from tradition, I think it has kept up with the advances in terms of equipment as well as technology, and we have come a long way in neurosurgical work. I think one of the strengths of this hospital, especially over the last 2 decades, has been endoscopic management. We were one of the first ones to start this minimally invasive technique with endoscopy and navigation. And endoscopy has given us alternatives to hydrocephalus treatment as well as many tumors inside the CSF spaces, cysts, etc., which can be treated now with a very minimally invasive technique, and we have performed more than 500 such operations. The other important aspect of endoscopy was to start a skull base endoscopy, and we have very interested ENT colleague who was also interested, and together we developed a skull base course as well as skull base program in which we have operated now over more than 2000 cases, not only pituitary tumors but many other skull base tumors. One of the recent things which we have started over the last 3 or 4 years is the endoscopic spine surgery, and transforaminal uniportal surgery has become quite popular, minimally invasive, and really allows the patient to move around not only the next day but sometimes you can even get them back to their home and in a very short time back to the work. Not only the immediate postoperative pain is much less, but the recovery is much smoother, and I think the long term results are virtually as good as the other techniques. Apart from endoscopic surgery, other minimally invasive techniques have also been used, like eyebrow craniotomies, navigation guided procedures, especially biopsies, and we probably have one of the largest experience in this field as well, having started early. The future depends on not only technology but also technical innovations, and I think both are being propagated in a large way in the department.